Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the Chicco LullaGo Anywhere Portable Bassinet, a lightweight and space-saving solution for your baby's sleep needs. This travel-friendly bassinet features a firm, flat sleep surface with a waterproof mattress and a fitted sheet, ensuring your baby sleeps comfortably and safely. Weighing only 12 pounds, its ultra-lightweight design and convenient carry bag make it perfect for families on the go. The sturdy metal legs snap on in seconds for easy assembly, and the bassinet folds flat to fit inside the carry bag, making travel a breeze. With mesh side panels, you can enjoy reassuring visibility and airflow, while the mesh storage pocket keeps little essentials close at hand. Plus, the bassinet is GREENGUARD Gold certified, contributing to healthier air quality around your baby. Experience the convenience and peace of mind that comes with the Chicco LullaGo Anywhere Portable Bassinet, designed to make your life easier while keeping your baby safe and comfortable. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.